Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you my favorite tool to clean house with.
This electric spin scrub brush by Genew is my favorite tool by far that I've ever used in my house cleaning. This thing is so powerful, and I love that it's wireless. You can see that I am charging it right there, so it is rechargeable. It's got 2 speeds. Obviously, I needed the more powerful one for this job. This bathtub had the worst hard water stains, all the lime, all the rust. It had been sitting for a while and we were remodeling, so we decided to put this brush to the test and look at that before and after. It was amazing with just a little bit of cleaner. And then I love that it has, like I said, 6 different heads. So it's got this little pointy brush. It's going to get in all those little nooks and crannies that you can't really get to with your hands. It has a nice angled head so you can change it to however you need it. It's got a great telescoping handle, so I love that I can get to hard to reach places, and it just works. I'm telling you, this has made my life so much easier. It makes cleaning better, and it does those hard jobs with scrubbing brushes, but it also does something so nice like get windows, mirrors, as you can see with this wiping cloth, and it takes care of everything you need with just a little bit of cleaner. I love that it does the inside of the windshield, so really any job inside of the house or outside of the house.
So whatever size job you need to tackle around the house, there's almost nothing this scrub brush cannot do. And that is my point of view.